So guys, AFCON is resuming Saturday. Yeah, Saturday AFCON is resuming. There are small break. Some teams have to move to some venues, others have to shape their squad. So the AFCON is on break, and Saturday, 3rd January 2026 is resuming. And this is AFCON 2025. That is a 35th edition going on in Morocco. And I believe you are having fun, right? But the excitement is not like what we had in that is Ivory Coast. Yeah, the excitement has not gotten to that point. Maybe from round of 16, quarterfinals, semi-finals, we will feel that vibe. We will get to know that AFCON that we always enjoy. Okay, so that is. But hey, let me tell you the road to the final. Okay, so if you check my right, we have teams there. Left, we have teams there. So let's say the right is team A, okay, and my left side is team B, or let's say port A and port B, okay. So let me tell you how it is going to be like, okay. So but before then, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to also like the video and follow me. Facebook is Bedus. Follow me, please follow me on all social media handles. Don't forget to follow me, and also like the video and share it. Okay, so let's start from this side. So let's start from the left side. So we have Mali taking on Tunisia. Okay, and then Senegal taking on Sudan. Okay, so the winner between Mali and Tunisia will take on the winner between Senegal and Sudan. Okay, so that's how it's going to be like. Then Egypt versus Benin will take on the winner versus Ivory Coast and Tunisia. Okay, so let's say Burkina Faso will win against Ivory Coast. Then they will move forward and take on, let's say, Benin will beat Egypt. So Burkina Faso will play against Benin. Okay, then we'll go to the top there. Let's say Senegal will beat Sudan. Then Mali also will beat Tunisia. Okay, so Senegal will face Mali. So that is it. Okay, so that is the road. So when we go to, let's say, Group A, we have South Africa taking on Cameroon. Okay, so the winner will face the winner between Morocco and Tanzania. Okay, then we come down, Algeria versus DR Congo. So the winner between these two teams will take on the winner between Nigeria and that's a Mozambique. So let's say Mozambique will win over Nigeria. Then DR Congo also will beat Algeria. So Mozambique will face DR Congo, let's say. Then Tunisia will win against, that is Morocco. Then South Africa will beat Cameroon. So it means that Tunisia will face, that is South Africa. Okay, so that will give us the quarterfinals. Then from there we go to the semi-finals. Then we go to final. Okay, so that is how the road looks like. So you can save this video somewhere. You can save this video so that when it gets to the time you don't know which team is meeting who and which, then you come back to this video and you watch. Okay, now my team can face. So let's say Nigeria route. Nigeria can face that is DR Congo, Algeria, Tanzania, Morocco, Cameroon, South Africa before they get to finals. So that's their route. Okay, I didn't mention Mozambique because obviously they are meeting Mozambique in the next round. Okay, and also Senegal can face Tunisia, Mali, Egypt, Benin, Ivory Coast, Burkina Faso. I didn't mention Sudan because they are facing them already. So this is the road to the AFCON, and this is the road to the final. And from there we get the champions. Okay, so let me know your thoughts. Which team do you think will win the AFCON? Which team do you think will pass through successful to the final? And which two teams do you think they will get to final from these two, let's say, a pot or two groups? Okay, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well and share the video, like and share the video. Okay, and there's more that I have for you on this channel and on this page as well. Let's meet again on the next video.